Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and sis, in today's video we are doing a Walmart haul. You guys know how I love Walmart, and we're back with another one. I told you guys in my last Walmart haul that I may or may not do another one because, you know, they just had so many things, sis, like so many things. So yeah, we're back with another one. I will have everything linked in the description box below. As always, some things are not able to be linked because it's just in stores, but I will let you know what those things are again down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel, I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as playing makeup. So go ahead and join the gang, sis. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's jump into it. So you already know how I like to start off by you guys coming shopping with me. I'm going to take you around some of my local Walmart stores and just show you what my store has to offer. Then we'll jump into styling the outfits. Okay, y'all, so for the first outfit, here is the top. Y'all, I had saw this top for a minute, like since they put it out for the fall, and I knew I was gonna get it eventually. So here we are, we got it. And since I did get it extra late and this top has been out, I got this in a size extra large because I had no choice. That was all they had, like extra large and double XL and triple XL. So I mean, I got it in an extra large. It doesn't typically have a brand with their t-shirts, you know, it's just the t-shirts that are folded up. This top was $8.98 and it says Rolling Stones and it has all of these fall colors. It's just really cute, sis. Like, I really like it. On the back is nothing, just plain black. But again, you guys, in a size extra large, it kind of fits me a little big. But if you are not new here, you know that I love oversized things. So I'm not necessarily mad at the fit, but I probably would have preferred a size large or whatever. But I mean, extra large, it is what it is. Again, you guys, it's just super cute. And again, or not even again, because I didn't tell you guys, I got this from the men's section. Y'all already know the men's section has the best tees. But yeah, so this is the top. Then we paired the top with these bottoms. Like, girl, these bottoms are everything. So they're hunting pants, to be exact, from the Hunters section, and I got them in ladies. You do have a choice between ladies and men. I typically always get men, but I went ahead and got ladies just because. So yeah, I got ladies. They're cargo pants. They were $19.94 and I got them in a size medium, and the medium is a size 8 to 10. So the medium fits me perfectly, sis. Like the length, the girl, I couldn't even talk. Why? I can never talk in any video. But anyways, girl, they fit me good. Like, I don't even need to wear a belt. It does have belt loops. Now let me say this, I didn't have these pants forever. Like, girl, since some Walmart hauls ago, I didn't have these pants for a long time. Yes, I still have the tag on it because I always just typically tuck it in or whatever, and I forget about it, and yeah, it just stays on. So with that being said, when I went to my Walmart, they only had men's available, and I think hunting season is literally right around the corner, if not has already started. I think in September it starts deer hunting and stuff. Don't ask me how I know that, but I know. But no, I'm not a hunter. But the style of the pants are so cute, and you know, some odd years ago, maybe like 2 years ago, these were in style, like heavy, like everybody wanted them, and sis, $19.99, and they're still in style now, but they're like $30. Who is paying $30? Not I. So $19.94 is such a good steal, and it's in the brand Realtree. If you hunt, you know what that brand is. But yeah, just some cute cargo pants, y'all. It has a little strings at the bottom, so if you wanted to, you know, draw it in or whatever, I kind of just like to wear them as is, just as a straight leg pant, like so. But yeah, just super cute and baggy. Y'all know I love baggy. Then I paired it with this hat. I just thought this hat was super cute. I love a good trucker hat, baseball cap, like you name it. I love a good hat. So I went ahead and picked this hat up. Of course, it says Real Tree Outfitter, and it's basically for people that hunt. But who cares? If you don't hunt, girl, you can still wear whatever. Just how people wear those fishing hats or whatever. What is it called? Bass Pro. Like, girl, who cares? And people be making a big deal like, do you fish? Girl, it's a style. Just get with the program. But anyway, so super cute hat. I just thought it paired really nicely with the outfit. And this hat, girl, I'm rambling. This hat, it says it's a men's baseball hat, and it was $6.84. Like, girl, hats nowadays be expensive. Who is paying for here we go, we can't talk. Who is paying for an expensive hat? Not I. Anyways, so yeah, this is the fit. And then I paired it with some Jordans, and I paired it with a Zara bag because the orange in the strap just went perfectly because it has the orange in hat. And we got us a look. So this next look came out of the women's department. So starting with the top, this top is from the brand Time and True, and I got it in a size medium. This is a relaxed fit top, so it's not like stretchy and form fitting or whatever. They typically always have just relaxed fit. They never have a stretchy top. But anyways, so yeah, it's just plain. It's like this mocha brown color. And I don't know the price, it doesn't say, but it was sitting on the table, so it was probably no more than maybe $7 or $8. Really inexpensive. It's long sleeve, as you can see, because we are getting ready for the fall, and the color is just so pretty. Girl, I just really love this color. They also are, girl, I'll say that later. So these are the pants that I paired it with. So the pants, again, is in the brand Time and True. And if you know, once they make like one color, they typically stick with the same colors for the fall. So with that being said, this actually has a top in the same quilt or whatever, like a little sweater top to go with it, but my store didn't have it. But I saw somebody on TikTok with the whole outfit, and I was super jealous. But again, y'all, they make the same color in tops, so that's why I paired it with the long sleeve. So anyway, child, so this again is in the brand Time and True. I got it in a size large. No, I did not want it in a size large. I really need a size medium because they are kind of big, but the only reason why I'm okay with it is because I like my things oversized. So these were $26.98, and I just think they're super cute. They're a thick material, like this quilt type of material. I did utilize this drawstring because, again, they are too big. And y'all, I think I'm gonna go back and get a size medium because I literally had to take them in a lot because they were too big on me. But yeah, they're just super cute, regular joggers, as you can see, and they have pockets. Like, girl, when I say the material is very nice, if you do have this item in your stores, check for the jacket, because again, you guys, the jacket is super cute with it. It's kind of like dressy or whatever. But anyways, so I went ahead and paired this with a pink bag because my Nikes are this color and pink. Sis, who would have thunk? Like, at first I didn't even think I had any shoes to go with this outfit, and then what do you know, that's exactly why I just go ahead and buy shoes regardless if I have an outfit or not, because eventually you'll have an outfit. So yeah, I paired it with that pink bag, and I can never talk. It never fails. I can never talk. Sis, the outfit was cute. So for this next look, it came out of the women's section as well, and it's in the brand Free Assembly. I got it in a size medium, and this top was $30. A little bit pricey, but like I always tell you guys, Free Assembly is like an upgraded version of like Target clothing, like very good material or whatever, as to why it's a little pricey. But yeah, super cute sweat top. I got this sweat top because it matched perfectly with my shoes. So yeah, it's just this mustard yellow, and the the material is like this, you know, jacket material. Then the rest of the jacket is like a Sherpa type of material. I just really like the color blocking on this jacket. Just super cute. You can zip it all the way down if you want to just, you know, show some skin, and or you can zip it all the way up. So yeah, either way it's really cute. It's nothing on the back. As well, the top has these slits on the sides, and the slits have the pink in it. So I just thought it was really cute. Overall, again, I got it in a medium, and I think I should have sized up in a size large because the medium kind of fits me a little small, like it's my little sister's sweater, and the sleeves are a little shorter and my arms are longer. So I do need to check for a size large in this one, just because, yeah, the fit is not fitting. So anyways, child, so I paired the jacket with these pants, and if you guys have already been following me, you already know that these are my OG Time and True pants. They're not in stores. However, I just want to go ahead and show you guys because y'all, Time and True makes some really good pants, and right now they're putting out like these ankle pants, and I'm not necessarily a fan of the ankle pants, as to why I just keep reverting back to my Time and True pants. These ones are in a size 6, and I just want to give you my size for a reference if they do have other pants in your stores. So yeah, I'm a size 6. I got these some odd years ago, and they still fit me to the T. Like, I love these pants. So yeah, this is what I paired it with. As well, I paired it with a bag that I got from Shein, and I paired it with my Nikes, and yeah. So we're switching it up just a little bit, just getting a little bit dressy for the girls who like to dress up. This top was just so cute to me, and I've been seeing it for some time now or whatever, and I'm finally getting my hands on one. I got it in a size medium. I didn't have a choice because, again, you guys, this top has been out for maybe 3 weeks since they put out their fall items, and this was literally the last size, which is my normal size, but I probably would have sized down because it is a little big if you guys look at it. And then in the arm area, it is a little gap when I put it on, but I mean, overall it's decent or whatever. So yeah, size medium, Time and True, and it was $17.98, so not a bad price at all. I got the top because it's like this knit material, and I love a good knitted top, as well as the shoulders and the neckline and everything. It's just, girl, the top is cute, sis, and I love this mustard color. On the top, it has these splits at the bottom, and I love splits. Super cute, but again, like I said, the top was a little big, so I kind of tucked it because it was just a weird shape on me. So yeah, I kind of just tucked it in my jeans just to give it, you know, just to make it look cute. So again, y'all, I paired it with the OG pants. We already done went through that. And then as well, I paired it with this hat. So this hat is Time and True. I did not get this on this go around. However, they have these hats in stock right now. I think every year they put out the same hats. Again, y'all, it's from the brand Time and True. I got this some odd years ago, and no, I have never worn it outside of my house. Like, I don't typically dress up. Like, my style is sneakers ever since the pandemic, and I have not dressed up since. But the day I go somewhere, best believe I'm gonna throw on this hat because I love a good fedora hat. But anyway, child, so again, y'all, Time and True, this hat cost me $14.97, but y'all, with the prices going up, I haven't even looked at the current prices of the hats now. But yeah, I just really like this hat. I don't want to say too much and show you too much, just in case the hat is a little different from the ones they have out now. But again, sis, literally they have these hats in like black, brown, like a lighter tan right now in stores. So yeah, I think the outfit turned out real cute, and I paired it with a Shein bag and some heels. So this is the last fit, y'all. Girl, when I say this fit is me, I'm telling you, ever since the pandemic, I have turned into this girly tomboy, hence all the shoes and stuff, like, girl. So yeah, this top is from the men's section, but you knew that. I got it in a size 2XL, and no, I did not want it in a 2XL. This was literally the only size that they had, and I was not willing to go to another Walmart looking for this top, so I just went ahead and got it. So yeah, it's a 2XL, and it says speed, or Y'all know how I feel about reading. I don't even know why I tried. I cannot read on camera. Girl, what does it say? Supreme Racing Power something. Anyways, child, it's a cute top. It's about racing and Corvettes or whatever kind of car is on here, but it's just super cute. I got it because of the colors. I thought the colors would have matched perfectly with my shoes, but yeah, just overall really cute. Again, y'all, it is oversized. I would typically get this top in a size large if they would have had it, but since they didn't, I just got it in 2X. So we went ahead and styled it with this, or styled it, paired it, whatever. We styled it with this jacket. Girl, I already knew when I saw this jacket that I was gonna get it because it matched my shoes perfectly. Like, I knew it was gonna be a match. Anyway, so this jacket is from the brand Time and True. I got it in a size large because, again, y'all, Time and True kind of runs small sometimes. So I like oversized things, and I like my jackets big so I can just feel snuggly. Girl, I can never talk. Like, I know y'all like, girl, take a speech class. Anyway, I typically always I typically always upsize in my jackets just so I can like wear long sleeves, wear a hoodie. I just like my jackets to be big or whatever. So yeah, a size large fits me perfectly. And then how much was it? This jacket was $24.98. Girl, that is a steal. $24 for this little bubble jacket or puffer jacket, whatever you call it, child. But it's super cute. It's kind of lightweight, but kind of not. It's kind of like medium weight, if that even makes sense, if that's a thing. But yeah, it's just super cute. Really good for the fall, because you know the fall, it'll get a little chilly, but not as chilly. So this is a perfect jacket. Definitely not for the winter, you know what I'm saying? But perfect for the fall. Anyways, this is a fall haul anyway, so why am I even talking about the winter? Girl. But yeah, super cute jacket. Then we paired it with these bottoms. I thought these bottoms were super cute. So let's get into it. Let's get into these bottoms because these, again, are old bottoms. Y'all, I shop at Walmart so much, and so many of their items are just like reoccurring items that every season they carry, and this is one of them. They always carry these cargo pants as well, with all the colors and stuff, like the brown, the blue, the gray, the black. They carry these every single year, and I just refuse to buy another pair when I already have one. So I don't really know the cost of it, but I do know it typically comes in the brand No Boundaries. I got mine in a size 30-30, and then mines are slightly different from the ones they put out this year. Mines don't have like the drawstring and like the gathering on the side. The ones that are at the stores now have like a drawstring and gathering, and mine's is just with the button, and you can have like your little belt go through them or whatever. And mine's at the bottom has this going on, like this little thing so you can gather them. I think theirs has it too, but I think it's just string and not this. Don't quote me because I didn't look at it that hard, but they are literally the same cargo pants, the same design and everything. They are $21.98 because I did check the price in the stores. They're $21.98. I think they kind of went up on the price because I think when I got these they were only $19.99. Don't quote me, but it was a couple of years ago when I got these. But again, like I said, they are reoccurring cargo pants in Walmart, in $21.98. Again, the brand No Boundaries. And yes, sis, I paired it with my Jordans, of course, because it matched very well. And just overall, it's a cute look, sis. And the bag is from Shein. So that is it for this video, sis. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.